Looking for a flexible light strip that can emit light from side? That's where YIFORD's side-emitting flexible light strip steps in. It the perfect solution for anyone looking for innovative lighting options. With its ultra-thin design, our light strip takes up very little space, making it ideal for objects where space is limited. Plus, it can easily be folded into any shape, cut, and connected again for use. That's not all. With hundreds of light-emitting chips per meter, excellent consistency, and a color rendering index above 90, our light strip offers high color reproduction and low voltage safety, making it a great choice for any product. And the best part? Our light strip comes in a variety of options, including single colors, RGB color changing, and even RGB addressable and programmable options with rich colors and many changing programs to choose from. So don't wait and contact YIFORD today to get your hands on a sample of our amazing side-emitting flexible light strip and take your lighting game to the next level.